Hey guys, I was wondering what I should work on today for the video, and then I was walking by and yeah, right? Our friend Plymouth Belvedere here. What we've got is a window that will neither roll up or down or stay put, and I'm a fan of ignoring this car, but I can't even use the car until I fix this because I don't want to be out, being stuck in the rain with this window down would be kind of crap. So we're going to fix it because I have no choice. So my lovely assistant Bun will be here in a minute and we're going to get started on this window. I'll go get some tools. As far as I know, first thing we got to do is get this molding off. Trying to think if I've had this apart before. I think I have many years ago. Okay, you remembering where these all go, Bun?
Little ones at the top, big ones at the bottom.
Yeah, great. Chuck that in there. Now the fun part is getting these off.
Oh, window's rolling down a bit. Do that.
That's okay.
I thought it didn't work at all, that's all. Well, the LED light, it just looks like a flash on the camera, but in person it's just a solid light. It's like a strobe light.
They strobe on the cameras, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't use them for slow-mo either. There, easier than I thought. Now, let's hope that any number of these clips are still intact. It's pretty amazing that as many of these are still intact as they are. Now we can see what's actually wrong. What the hell is going on now? Well, there's part of the problem. It's been fixed before. Oh, I see. There we go. I guess the question is, can you weld that without breaking the glass? Are we prepared to try? Yes.
Do you have spare glass and stuff?
I used to. I had one of these extra doors and I threw it away because I'm a dummy. And if we go all the way down, can we see it? Yes. So I think we're going to drive the car over to the shop where the welder is, and we'll just weld it. We'll bring it back here and put it back together. Oh,
Okay.
Except there's 9 cars in the way, isn't there?
Oh yeah, there's a, yeah.
The truck and the Fraser have to move.
Okay.
Should be able to get the welder out here. We're over here at the welding department, and I think we should clean it up just a tiny bit. I'm just gonna get something, wire wheel or a piece of sandpaper, and very, very poorly clean it up. Somebody's been shopping. Oh, poor Frankers. Look at that. You're a sweetheart. Did Mom get you a new collar, hey? That's very nice.
I like the little tweed. The little tweed button on it. Maybe it's Harris tweed.
Yeah.
Super posh.
Yeah, Frankers is pretty
You wouldn't
posh.
know. You wouldn't know, Scott.
Oh, whoops.
She has unique taste, don't you, Moo?
See, this goes to hell rather quickly when it's left unattended. There we go. Well, let's try and get it back where it was, I suppose. What we're gonna do is kind of try to.
Let's hold it up.
Okay. Well, that'll probably do it. There. It's right where it was, so that will have to do, I suppose. Well, we'll hope for the best. And if the window explodes, that's good video. See if we have ground. I think I'm just going to do a bunch of little tacks instead of concentrating all the heat in 2 or 3 places.
Yeah, for sure.
I'll just go bit, and see what happens. So, judging by the welds, this was repaired many years ago using a gas welder. So that was not me. A few more, call her good. Nope,
Sorry.
Okay, hold that.
Oops.
You can see the original color of the car there.
Oh, yeah. That's a nice blue.
Yeah,
It's not far off. It's
now it's
a bit darker.
not very close, but
Yeah, it's a nice
when I
color.
was a kid, I didn't care about original colors. I just painted shit any color I wanted. Oops. Okay. Mopar Nationals. Here we come. I guess I need the cardboard door panel. Yep. mostly hanging together, eh?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good spot for it. There we go. And now we got to find an extra one of those things. Okay. Okay. Oh, and the molding. Yeah. Ta-da! We should go for a drive.
Sure, sounds good. Look at Moo. She's like, did somebody say drive?
You want to go for a ride, Mini Moo? Okay. There you go. Get in. Yeah, we'll roll your windows down. We're going to take Miss Frankers for a ride. And it's a warm day. And look, my window works. Oh, it works so good.
It sounds very smooth too.
It does, doesn't it? Hey? Ooh.
It's like a nice roll.
Yes, very nice. Now, will it start? That's a different show. You'll notice that we are driving the car, which means that the brakes are fixed. So if you want to see how we did that and what it turned out to be, I'll give you a hint. Nobody guessed it correctly, including me. So we can tune in on Saturday to see how we fixed the brakes. This would be a great time for them to like not work, and then we'll
Jesus.
we'll just cut to the same old
screaming.
Shit part.
Yeah.
They better work. Lovely. I put quite a few miles on this car, actually.
Yeah, you drove to New Brunswick or something, did you know?
Yeah, I went to PEI and back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was about 8,000 miles in 30 days I did this thing. But that was in 1992. So, this is not the oldest, or not the car I've owned the longest, but it's the car I've owned the second longest. This one in the gold 67. I got that one when I was in high school, and I got this one when I was 21 or so.
How much did you pay for this one?
I paid, I traded a guy a battery and 75 bucks for it.
Wow.
So that was pretty good. So let's say the battery was worth 100 bucks, maybe. Yeah, so I don't think I paid 200 bucks. It's been, and I haven't done very much, really. Like, the engine's never been out. Transmission's been replaced, as you can see by the picture. 4-speed, but the engine's original. Seats I put in, they're out of the Dodge Monaco. They're not the right ones.
I just love the mirror. The
Yeah.
rear view mirror. That's so cool.
There we go. Wrong gear. There we go.
What do you think, Ms. Moo Moo? I sure love my collar, she says. I sure feel dignified in a beautiful collar. Oh, there's a kitty. Woo-hoo. Yeah, that kitty had normal ears. I'm sure that's the kitty I saw. Thought it had the bobcat ears earlier. We have to get a tractor tire as well.
Oop. And the pedal just fell apart.
You are shitting.
Well, we fixed 2 things and 1 thing broke, so we're still up 1 for the day, or the week anyway. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Glad we got that sorted. Nice to take Frankers for a ride today. We'll see everybody on Saturday for lots more of the... This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.